Photography has always been my passion, one of those hobbies that just comes naturally to me. After years behind the lens, I've developed my go-to settings and I always check my shots as I work. It's pretty rare for me to not come away with at least a few great photos. But today was different. I decided to dive into two completely new creative ventures: acrylic pouring, which I just started yesterday, and video creation, which I picked up a couple of days ago. So I set up my workspace, positioned my camera, and everything looked perfect, or so I thought. Once I hit record, I became so absorbed in the pouring process that I completely forgot my photographer's instinct, checked the footage before moving on to the next take. It wasn't until I transferred everything to my computer that I discovered the lighting was terrible. So what did I learn from this rookie mistake? First, lighting control is crucial. I'm planning to install a curtain on the window next to where I'm filming and use my strobe as the main light source. Second, and this is where my photography experience should have kicked in, always check your camera settings before filming and review each clip even briefly before moving on to the next one. Let's see if tomorrow brings better results.